Okay, we're actually going to do the second one first, because that first one's a little bit tougher. Now, like I said earlier, you always have to have it equal to 0 to do the zero product property. So here, I have a negative 36. That's a problem, but it's an easy problem to fix. So you always move it to the other side of the equal sign by either adding or subtracting, always the opposite. So if you see negative 36, that means we're going to add 36 to both sides. Because negative 36 plus 36 is 0. Now on the left side, we can't combine the 36 with anything. There are no like terms. So we have x squared minus 12x plus 36. So if you were thinking about, now how do I factor that? Well, I see it ends in plus, so they need to both be the same symbol, but it adds up to negative 12. So they need to both be negative numbers in the parentheses, x minus, x minus. Now thinking of the factors of 36, you have 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, or 6 and 6. Which set adds up to 12? The only set that does that is 6 and 6. Now you may notice x minus 6 is the same in both of them, and that's fine. This could even be factored as x minus 6 squared equals 0. Like if this was a factoring quiz, I would want you to put the x minus 6 squared. But we're not, it's not a factoring quiz, it's factoring to solve. So it's fine that they both worked out to the same. We'll just take one of the sets, x minus 6, and set it equal to 0. There's no point in doing it twice, it's going to come out with the same answer. How do you get rid of minus 6? You add 6 to both sides, and we get x equals 6. So there's only one solution on this, and that's fine. That happens. All right, now let's try this one. This one's a doozy. First thing I got to do is move that 88. Oh, move the whole board. I'm going to move the 88 to the other side. Now, if I'm trying to get rid of 88, am I going to add it or subtract it? I'm going to subtract it, right? 88 minus 88 is 0. I'm going to subtract 88 on both sides, which will give us 2x squared minus 5x minus 88 equals 0. Now, there is no common factor here, and we have that 2 in front. So we have to do the 2 times negative 88, which is negative 176. Glad we're doing this one together. So we're looking for a set that multiplies to 196 and is 5 apart. So we can start with 1 and 176, 2 and 88, 3, no, 4 times 44, 5 does not go in there, let's see, 6, no, 7, no, 8, and 22, we're getting closer, we need them 5 apart, 9, no, 10, no, 11, 12 might go in there, 11, oh, 11 goes in there. 11 times 16, and that's our set. So we have, it's got to be x minus our big number initially, 16, x plus our small number, 11. But don't forget, we have to try to divide them by the number in front, the 2. So 16 over 2 is 8, right? 16 divided by 2. The 11 over 2 we can't do, so the 2 would come to the front. 2x plus 11 equals 0. And this is where we would finally set up our two equations. X minus 8 equals 0, and 2x plus 11 equals 0. X minus 8, let's add our 8. Get x equals 8. Over here, run out of time, we'll subtract 11. 2x equals negative 11, and then we'll divide by 2, which will give us negative 11 over 2. Nice.